Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel High Tech Learner. Today we'll see components of a web. So let's start. As in the previous session, we have seen what is internet and how it communicates. If you missed that video, you can watch it from the description. I had put it the link. So please watch the video for more details. Today, we'll see some important components of a web which help us to communicate with the internet. As we've seen so many uses of a World Wide Web, let's revise that. There are so many safe internet uses like email, chatting, social networking, searching and downloading. For all this usage of the internet, we have to take a help of World Wide Web. And for this, we have to use a World Wide Web's components. So, we'll see today. But before that, we will have to revise the model of the web. As we have seen in the previous session, how client communicates with the server. Client sends a request to the server and server responds with that particular request by using HTTP protocol. So viewers, watch my video to more detail related to HTTP till the end. Let's start the basic component of a web which is most important. We have first component of a web is web browser. Web browser is a what? Viewers, we are using a web browser so many times in a day. That is, it is a software which help us to view our web page and websites like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and for the Apple computer we have Safari as a browser. Then we have a web server. Web server is known as the heart of the internet. As we have seen in the previous video also, how web server helps us to communicate. So web server is holding and publishing your websites over the internet. Whatever you are searching with the help of internet, it is all are stored inside the web server itself. All the videos, audio, music, games or movies, that all has been stored in the web server only. If it is stored in a internet, you are searching over the internet, you have to take a help of web server. Then we have web page as a component of a web. As you can see in the picture, web page is a simple text file which is created with the help of HTML coding. In the upcoming session, we will see what is the HTML and its coding. But remember viewers, web page is a single page, whereas website is known as a collection of web pages. As we can differentiate from the picture, website is collection of images, audio, video and text files, where web page is the single page. We can take an example of a flipkart.com where we can see so many pages for the different categories. But when we are viewing that particular page, that is web page single page. Then we have a component like a home page. Home page is a nothing but it is the first page which is appearing while viewing on a internet screen. That is a website which contains so many summary content over the single page. As you can see in the picture, we have a Google page, and with this Google we have a summary of a different tabs which we are searching frequently. So that can be our home page. Then we have a hyperlink. Viewers, hyperlink is a nothing but that is a single particular link which you can click and direct it to the particular different page. It helps us to link one page with the another different page. As you are searching so many things over the internet, after a searching particular thing, you are getting so many blue color line. When you click over that line, it is directed to that particular page. That is only known as hyperlink. Means you can just click and direct it to the different document or a web page. Then we have a component of a web, that is, first we'll see this image and then we can able to understand that component. As you can see in the picture, we have a one particular link for the Gmail. Yes, when this link in the internet language, it is known as URL. The full form of a URL is Uniform Resource Locator, which is also known as address of particular web page, which help you directly to go that particular page. The web page is also known as original location of that page. Like you are sharing a link of a YouTube videos, then you are sharing a link of a particular website. So that link is known as URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. With the help of a URL, you are also sending one particular protocol, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This Hypertext Transfer Protocol is used by the World Wide Web to communicate client and server. Protocol means a set of rules which has to be followed while transferring one particular information from client to server and from server to client in the secured manner. It should be securely traveled over the network. So HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, helps you to communicate securely over the network. It is also known as one most important component or a important protocol of the web. As we seen, a S with the HTTP protocol, it stands for the security purpose. When you are sharing some information over the internet, it is take care of about the security. Let's revise a important component that we have learned today. First is web page, then we learn website, web browser, web server, URL and HTTP protocol. So thank you for today's session. We will meet soon for the new concept. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.